You're on the path to fiber broadband and all that it offers. No turning back now. Your community's relying on you. But the broadband landscape is unfamiliar, and the path is uncertain. You could use a trusted partner, a guide who knows every step of your unique journey. As one of the world's largest builders of fiber and wireless networks, Fujitsu has the expertise and experience to help you navigate every obstacle. From planning and design to building, integration, and network operation. We provide the resources, experience, and guidance to protect your investment and peace of mind. What's more, Fujitsu helps you avoid project risks as an accountable partner should. Your community's future depends on fiber internet services. They're counting on you. Fujitsu helps you keep your promise. So relax. Together, we've got this.